Hello dear students, I am Shanta. Today I taken Unit 5 Hygienic Part 2nd. Students, hygienic ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಹೈಜಿನಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತವಾಗಿರೋದು, ನೈರ್ಮಲ್ಯವಾಗಿರೋದು. ಆ ಹೈಜಿನಿಕ್ ನೈರ್ಮಲ್ಯವಾಗಿರಲು ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ we already learn in previous class in good habits and bad habits, and also learned the things that helps to keep clean. Okay students, in good habits and last also good habits we take a smile face, bad habit we'll write the bad sad face. Okay students, ಹೈಜಿನಿಕಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದನ್ನು ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ರೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಓಪನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 49. Page number 49 students. See, yes, come to page number 49. Here is a one. First one is the rhyme for learning. So we have to learn this. Let's we go. Yes. Here we go round mulberry bush. Once again, you sing with me. Here we go round mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush, on a bright and sunny morning. Once again students, here we go round the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush, on a bright and sunny morning. And next para. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth, on a bright and sunny morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth, on a bright and sunny morning. And next para. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face, on the bright and sunny morning, on the bright and sunny morning. So this one is the rhymes, very easy and funny. So students, you have to read 5 times. And next we go to the next page. Students, see what's it? They giving the same picture too. What they give? What will we do? Spot the difference in the two pictures and tell the parts about them. These words may help you. Students, spot two pictures is there and tell me the parts about them. We tell me the parts of the pictures. What they give the things? See words: apple, ball, shoe, toys, towel, dog, book, glass, aeroplane, cloth. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ: ಆಪಲ್, ಬಾಲ್, ಶೂ, ಟಾಯ್ಸ್, ಟವಲ್, ಡಾಗ್, ಬುಕ್, ಗ್ಲಾಸ್, ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಕ್ಲಾತ್. So students, you have to identify and circle them. Circle the picture. Okay, this is the homework for you. You have to observe and identify the words which are not and there. So you have to circle them. Okay, come to the page number 51. What we did they give in the picture? What we do? See, circle these pictures and have the same sound. Students, circle those pictures that we the same sound, that have the same sound. ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುವಂತಹ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ and tell me the pronunciation and circle them. First one was the already they gave one. See first one what? Cat, mat, leg, bat, hat. Students, cat, mat, bat, hat already rhyming words. So leg is the different word. So we leave it the leg and circle the cat, mat, bat, hat. Okay, students. And come to the second one. See, we have to first write down the names of the things. Listen. See, here is there. Students, sorry. Here is there. See, observe. Second one. Tin, pin, shark, dustbin, rain. Student, observe. Tin, pin, dustbin, rain. Shark is the different word, not coming to the rhyming word. So, we have to circle the tin, pin, dustbin, rain. We don't circle the shark. Okay, come to the third one. Rug, bug, cup, pug, mug. See, students, rug, bug, cup, pug, mug. This all are UG rhyming words, but cup is the not rhyming words, is a different phonic drills. So we don't circle the cup. You have to circle rug, bug, pug, mug. Don't circle the cup. Okay, come to the next one. Hen, men, ten, sun, dare. Student, once again. Hen, men, ten, sun, dare. The first four one is the en rhyming words, and also last word is the phonic drill. So dare is the different word and also different phonic sounds. So we don't circle the dare. We have to circle hen, men, ten, sun. Okay, students, come to the next page. Student, here also rhymes is there. See, students, what way they gave? Repeat the sentence after the teacher. Repeat the sentence after the teacher. Let's read. Yes, come. The cat sat on the mat. The cat sat on the mat. You also sing with me. A big fat rat is under the hat. A big fat rat is under the hat. I found a pin in the tin near the bin. The bug is sung under the rug. The bug is sung under the rug. The tin men chased the hen into the den. The tin men chased the hen into the den. We have to observe here what we in previous page what we see the phonic drills and also rhyming words is there. Same, they have to make a sentences. They made sentence. Okay. Come to the down, singing this rhyming with actions. Student, singing this rhyme with actions. Yes, come down. Wash your hands, dear. Wash both your hands. Wash your hands, dear, before eating any meal. Once again, student. Wash your hands, dear. Wash both your hands. Wash your hands, dear, before eating any meal. Come down, students. Brush your teeth, dear. Brush your teeth well. Brush your teeth, dear, every morning and night. Once again, students. Brush your teeth, dear. Brush your teeth well. Brush your teeth, dear, every morning and night. Students, observe here they giving the rhymes and also hygienic. What we do we taking the meal. We wash our hands and also we take care of our teeth. We brush twice a day, morning and night. We brush our teeth twice a day, morning and night. Students, you have to saying this and with actions. Students, saying this and with actions. Okay, students, this is the part second, hygienic, and next taken the classes in next classes. Okay, students, thank you. Bye.